एक फोन कॉल पर दूरी पर हूं। आप जब भी मन बना लें, मैं कुछ ही घंटों में आपके साथ मिलने का कार्यक्रम और स्थान तय कर लूंगा।
Government has been shifting its goalpost while discussing with the farmers leaders.
This arterial road that connects Uttar Pradesh to the national capital is currently completely occupied by thousands and thousands of farmers.
First line is of the RAF. The second line of security is the Delhi police. As we move across, the third line of security is deployed is the CRPF personnel.
Hello everyone, you're watching News Epicenter with me this Saturday, Maria Shakil. I am. After Kisan leader Rakesh Tikait's emotional outburst went viral, farmers are seen coming in large numbers to the borders in Ghazipur, Tikri and Singur. That appeal of Rakesh Tikait, it seems, has given another life to the agitation whose legitimacy was under the scanner. The government, on the other hand, has again extended an olive branch to the agitating farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in an all-party meet, said that centre was open to stay the implementation of farm laws for 1.5 years, as was proposed by Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar in the 11th round of meeting with the farmer unions. He also said that all issues related to the farmers of the country will be addressed and has been done so. He said that he is just a call away, but the farmers remain adamant and are not agreeing to anything short of repeal of laws. So what next? Is an amicable solution even possible, or is it time for both the parties to come together and reach a consensus? And what will be that consensus? I am going to take that up in just a few minutes with all the panelists. Let me bring in my guests. Aparajita Sarangi, Member of Parliament of the BJP, Shama Mohammed, spokesperson of the Congress, Vijay Sardana, agriculture economist, Chaudhry Sawit Malik is National President of Kisan Union, Kiran Kumar Vissa is member of AIKSCC, one of the farmer groups which in fact has called off the protest and has withdrawn from the larger protest. Malik Sahab, I am coming to you. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने एक और बार अश्योरेंस दिया है आप लोगों को, ये भी कहा है कि आप तय कर लीजिए वो कभी भी आपसे बात कर लेंगे। तो आंदोलन कैसे खत्म होगा और कब खत्म होगा?
हम लोग माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्वागत करते हैं कि उन्होंने किसानों के लिए समय निकालने का प्रयास किया है। हम लोग भी ये जानते हैं कि जो भी होगा बातचीत से ही होगा, और हम लोग पिछले 60-65 प्लस दिन से बैठे हुए हैं, इसीलिए बैठे हुए हैं कि हम लोग लगातार बातचीत कर रहे हैं। वो अलग बात है कि सरकार हमारी नहीं मान रही, लेकिन हम लोग कभी भी हिंसा में विश्वास नहीं रखते। हमारे 150 प्लस किसान शहीद हो चुके हैं। हम लोग एक तपस्या कर रहे हैं, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से जो ऑफर आया है इसको हम लोग स्वीकार करते हैं, और जल्द ही इसमें बातचीत होगी और बातचीत से ही हल निकलेगा। अब हमको ये भी लगता है कि जो हमारे साथ कई दिन से अत्याचार बढ़ा है उसके लिए भी सरकार को सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो दुराचारी लोग हैं, जो हुड़दंगी लोग हैं, वो आज भी आज़ाद घूम रहे हैं। और जो हमारे किसान और हम लोग जो बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे ऊपर पिछले कई दिन से लाठियां चलाई जा रही हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो विधायक भी हैं और अपने लोगों को आकर हमारी गाड़ियां तोड़ रहे हैं, धमका रहे हैं, डरा रहे हैं। तो हम लोग आजकल बड़े कष्ट में हैं, लेकिन हम लोग तपस्या में हैं। हम लोग अपनी बात से हटेंगे नहीं, शांतिपूर्वक आंदोलन करेंगे, और जो भी नतीजा निकलेगा वो बातचीत से निकलेगा।
चलिए, आप भी ये मानते हैं,
बताना चाहते हैं
नाउ दैट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज सेड,
बात नहीं करेंगे।
ठीक
जो
है,
हमारी बात है, बात वही रहेगी। आप लोग हम पर चाहे जितने अत्याचार कर लीजिए।
चलिए, आप इसका जवाब देंगी अपराजिता सारंगी। मैम, रिस्पॉन्ड टू हिम।
A very good evening. I am just a phone call away. This message from the Honorable Prime Minister says it all. This government is receptive to the cause of the farmers. This government is highly sensitive to the cause of our Annadatas. We stand by them, and Honorable Prime Minister has been emphasizing the fact that all issues can be resolved through discussion and dialogues. In fact, this is something which we have been reiterating for the past 65 days. There have been 11 rounds of talks. On January 22nd, our Honorable Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar ji has made it all clear. There is an olive branch. We are completely flexible. We are not at all rigid. We are at the table with
what
a very
is the
positive
nature of
bent
this
of
flexibility?
Mind, and we are extremely
the farmers say,
accommodative. We are saying
ma'am,
that this can be put
yes.
on hold for the next 18 months. This has also been
that is
told
the last
by
and
Prime Minister
final
today
offer.
in the all-party
yes.
meeting. Now,
that is
what
the last and
more
final
do the farmers'
yes.
unions need?
So, what more do you
Yes.
need? Malik Saab, what more do you need?
That's
18
it.
months
This is
का?
a question to the farmer
देखो,
unions.
हम लोग इनको लिखित रूप में दे चुके हैं कि हमारी ये मांगे हैं और ये बार बार बुलाते हैं। ये लोग पहले दिन से ये चाह रहे थे कि कैसे भी करके इनको कमजोर किया जाए। सबसे पहले इन लोगों ने हम पे देशद्रोह का लगाया कि ये आतंकवादी हैं, खालिस्तानी हैं, पाकिस्तानी हैं। ऐसे कर करके इन्होंने जब पंजाब से किसान चला 2 महीने धरने के बाद, रास्ते में जब आया उसके बाद गड्ढे खोदे गए सड़कों पर, पानी चला गया, गोली चलाई गई, लाठी चलाई गई और हमारे लिए वो नुकीले तार इन्होंने लगवा दिए जो जानवरों के लिए भी प्रतिबंधित है। तो ये किसानों को अपना ना मानकर विपक्ष की तरह और दुश्मन की तरह काम कर रहे हैं। हम ये कहते हैं 10 दौर की बात होगी। 10 दौर की बातचीत में तो अगर इनका मन होता एक नया कानून बनाया जा सकता था। ऐसी क्या हठधर्मिता है कि नहीं हम उसको नहीं मानेंगे।
We cannot accept arson and violence. Whatever happened on 26th January at the Red Fort is condemnable. I think every Bharatvasi has condemned what has happened there. And we know who are responsible. In fact, the third parties, the political parties who have no agenda whatsoever, who cannot stand up to the balisht netrutva of our Prime Minister, they have all been creating problems because they don't want any kind of solution to this impasse.
So, are you saying that, are you blaming it on the politicians here?
To have a dialogue with a very positive bent of mind.
Yes.
And let me tell you, Maria, just give me 30 more seconds. See, there have been 3 stages, very clear-cut 3 stages. Number 1, we came up with different kinds of amendments. In fact, I remember on December 3rd, we came up with about 7 kinds of amendments we proposed. These were
मारिया
turned
जी
down
हम
by the
इनको
farmers'
बताना
unions.
चाहते हैं
Now
कि
again,
जब हम लोग
they went
लिखित
to
में
the
दे
Supreme
चुके
Court. In
तो
fact,
इनको
people
अपना
went
मन
to the
बनाना
Supreme
है।
Court,
दूसरा
and
हम
there
ये
was a
कहते
panel
हैं
constituted.
जो भी हमारी
So the
बातचीत
panel is
होती है
looking into the matter.
उसका आप लाइव
Now,
प्रसारण
third
करिए।
and most important
ये
is
पूरी दुनिया को
the
पता लग
agriculture
जाएगा कि
minister
सरकार झूठ
having
बोल रही
said
है कि
that
किसान झूठ बोल रहा
1.5
है।
years
अंदर कुछ
this
और बात होती है,
particular
बाहर आकर कुछ और
laws will
बताते
be
हैं।
put on
Malik
the
साहब,
MSP पे बात
there
होगी।
has to be a solution,
Do the
right?
farmers want?
आप
That's the whole
indefinitely भी तो protest नहीं कर सकते, आपको भी पता है कि वो आप नहीं करिएगा। अब solution क्या है जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने फिर से assurance दिया, बोला कि आप मुझे कॉल करिए, I'm just a call away. That's a big assurance that is coming from the top of this government.
बिल्कुल बात की जाएगी और
yes,
इसका कहीं
Vijay
ना कहीं हल
Sardana,
निकाला
this is
जाएगा।
the biggest
हम लोग ये
outreach that is
चाहते हैं
coming from
बातचीत
the
से करने
government.
के लिए, इसीलिए हम लोग शांतिपूर्वक
What,
तरीके से आंदोलन
yes,
कर
so
रहे हैं।
now we are
लेकिन
seeing this also
हमारे आंदोलन
response
को
coming
कुछ
from the
उपद्रवी
farmer groups.
इसको बदनाम कर
विजय
खत्म
सरदाना
कराना चाहते हैं, लेकिन मारिया जी ऐसा हम नहीं करेंगे।
ठीक है विजय सरदाना।
देखिए, आई थिंक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि अगर आप नेगोशिएशन करने जा रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी के पास भी, तो आप यस और नो बोर्ड लेके नहीं जा सकते। एक संविधान के द्वारा पास किया हुआ कानून है, राष्ट्रपति जी ने उस पर साइन किए हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी उस कानून को देखा है और कल ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने जब कहा था एमएसपी खत्म हो जाएगा तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था कहां लिखा हुआ है, आप ऐसे गलत बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं। ये बात हमारे किसान साथियों को समझनी होगी कि जब तक आप लॉजिकल लाइन बाय लाइन चर्चा नहीं करेंगे, आप एक गलत परंपरा की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। आज किसानों को अपनी बात समझ में आ रही है, कल को हर आदमी, मेरे किसान भाइयों से निवेदन है कि आप एक गलत परंपरा की शुरुआत मत करिए, नहीं तो कल हर आदमी इस तरह से धरना करेगा और जो कानून हटवाना है उसके लिए लोग सड़क पे आ जाएंगे। फिर संसद भी नहीं चाहिए, हमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी नहीं चाहिए। क्या आप ये परंपरा डालना चाहते हैं इस देश में? मेरे किसान भाइयों से निवेदन है कि आप सोचिए कि गलत परंपरा तो नहीं डल रही इस देश में। और ये जब तक आप नहीं समझोगे कि लोकतंत्र में आप जो बातचीत की बात कर रहे हो, बातचीत का आधार भी होना चाहिए। आप उन लाइनों को लेके जाइए कि ये लाइन ठीक नहीं है, इसमें ये ऐड करिए, ये हटवाइए, ये जुड़वाइए, तो बात आगे बढ़ेगी।
Discussion to take a maximalist position may not be the right thing to do, is what the view largely is. That here is the government which has said 18 months, they'll put the law in abeyance, which in itself means that the farmers can claim moral responsibility and say they have a moral victory here and call off these protests. That is also a solution. Mr. Vissa, you wanted to come in. Go ahead.
Yes. Firstly, I would like to clarify that AIKSCC, the large coalition that I represent here, is completely with the protests. It is actually wrong, which you had said at the beginning, that AIKCC has withdrawn from the press. That is not true.
Mr.
So I just want to clarify on behalf of your,
Mr. VM Singh announced it.
So AIKCC is very much part of the protests, and also the protests are not only happening in Delhi but across the country. I am in Telangana, and in almost all the states the protests are happening. So that's one thing I wanted to make it clear.
Okay, fine.
Secondly, regarding the what the government has done so far. See, essentially, until the January 22nd statement of the Agriculture Minister about putting the laws on hold for 18 months, actually no meaningful proposal had come from the government, and that is the reason why there has been such a long prolonging of the negotiations. And I would also like to make it clear to Mr. Vijay Sardana that
when that proposal has been sent by government multiple times.
Very detailed.
The fact is that Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar did so. He said that the laws will be put on hold for 18 months. They also went ahead and no, sir, listen to me. After the third and the fourth round, 2 points on which both sides agreed was also carried upon. So the question is, how is this maximalist position helping you? The government says they are ready to give assurance on MSP as well. Just about every agriculture scientist has backed these reforms. So time for you to understand also, is there some politics that's happening? Shama Mohammed, come in on this.
Let me respond.
One moment, I'm coming back to you.
I'm
coming to you. Shama will speak first.
Okay, a couple of things, Maria, please give me some time. I was listening to the BJP spokesperson. She said that he's come out with ready to talk. I'm a phone call away. And I read that he says open mind. Now, I just want to tell the BJP spokesperson, Ms. Sarangi, the open mind and ready to talk is what Manmohan Singh ji did when Anna Hazare was fasting. Mr. Manmohan Singh ji, he said, you know what? I don't want your health to be destroyed. Let's talk. Please stop the fast. 70 people have died. Why wasn't there an open mind before these farmers who have died in the cold, before it happened? Mr. Prime Minister of India has not even condoled these deaths. You have to understand that. It hurts them. And most of these farmers' children are Jawans. Do not forget that maximum of our soldiers come from Haryana and Punjab. They are very hurt. They're upset. And on top of that, you keep saying that, we tried everything. In the Supreme Court, there's an affidavit which the government of India has put and said that, we'd had enormous discussions with the farmers before promulgation of the ordinance. But according to an RTI reply, there was no discussion. Again, they've lied to the court, and there is contempt of the court. These are very important points. Mr. Sardana said, farmer Sansad nahi chahiye. Sansad mein kab discussion hua? There was a voice vote and no division of vote in the Rajya Sabha. What
the discussion has been happening for 2 decades.
I'm talking about before promulgation of this particular ordinance. We have to understand where we stand. You could have spoken to the farmers. I am saying there should be reforms in agriculture sector. Nobody is denying that. But talk to the farmers. You didn't even talk to your alliance partners. They are leaving. Even now there are problems in JGP in Haryana. The MLAs
are Mr. Sardana will respond to this.
So what I want to say is that you must listen to these farmers. Even now, there were protesters at Singhu border with masks. Who are they throwing stones? Why was the police keeping quiet?
Mr. Sardana, go ahead. Vijay Sardana.
Why did the police come out heavily on Rakesh Tikait? These are answers you must give, Mr. Sardana. Listen to these poor farmers. They're crying right now. They are our annadatas. Have some empathy. Understand them. That's what they're asking for.
Mr. Sardana.
Ma'am, you believe in democracy, isn't it? You believe in Constitution of India, isn't it? Now, point is that you are a responsible opposition. When parliament session starts, you come with a private member bill, mobilize the support, bring the change. That's the way democracy works. If you feel there is an unconstitutionality in the law, Supreme Court exists. Please apply there. You are best of the lawyer in Congress. They will go and defend you. There is way to handle it. This is not the way to shout. Please understand. Don't make issue here. stick to the constitution and provisions of the parliament. You will get the message addressed. And tomorrow when you will come back to power in center, you change the law. Who is stopping you? When you changed the quota, you remember that? There was an issue between quota and TADA. You changed the quota and brought the TADA. You did that. You can always do that. Why you are shouting? You follow the constitutional provision, stick to the democratic provisions, and encourage the democracy in the country. Instead of, now you tell me, you are an educated person, you have 3 laws with you. Can you please tell me which line you feel is wrong and against the interest of farmer? Let us debate that. Let us discuss that. Are you willing to do that discussion with me anywhere, any forum in the country, around the world? Let us have an open debate. Let us bring the democracy into the process. I will see that you understand the laws.
Shama,
and
is
you
it
can guide
about the law per se?
You also have a Congress
because
working
the questions
committee
now
with
being
farmer
raised
representatives.
is about the
Let
process.
us stick to democracy. Don't shout.
Not the
Don't
law
make
per
issue
se.
Unnecessarily. Stick to the parliamentary procedure and court procedures. Why you want to overrule the Constitution of India? I just don't understand that.
Yeah, so because this government overruled the Constitution.
You are the Democratic Party. Why this government? You have a government in many states. You make the laws in those states. Who is stopping you?
How can you pass a law without discussion and debate? Tell me that, Mr. Sardana.
Discussion has been happening again for 2 decades.
Bring the private member bill. What's the
We are
problem?
talking about this particular
What is the problem? How 13 bills?
Okay, let me bring in other panelists now.
Division of Andhra Pradesh.
Aprajita.
Was there any discussion on division of Andhra Pradesh? Show me that. You divided the whole state. Was there any discussion? You are talking something which you did.
So please
My
don't
point
throw
is that,
stones
are you
at
saying
Okay,
that
Aprajita
Andhra Pradesh
Sarangi now.
bill was
Aprajita, go
wrong?
ahead.
See, the opposition needs to reorient themselves at this juncture. They do not have facts and they do not have valid arguments. It's full of sound and fury signifying nothing. Here is a government which stands with the farmers, which wants to talk to the farmers, which believes in discussion and dialogue, which is highly receptive and sensitive to the cause of the farmers. I'm a phone call away reflects the commitment of the government to the cause of the farmers. Now, after having held 11 rounds of talks and having said that we want to discuss each and every provision of the farm laws, where is the problem? Where is the room for doubt? In fact, you know, as I told, I reiterate, there are people who do not want this impasse to come to an end. That's the whole problem. So I think we need to sit positively. We need to have a rational view of the whole thing, and then, you know, you come up with the issues. Where are the issues with you? You have absolutely no issue.
Okay.
You have lost your political field. That is the whole problem, you know. Please come up with convincing arguments.
Okay.
We
Now
are here to talk.
Yes,
in
now
fact,
I'll
today
have-
also, after all that kind of, you know, arson and violence and the kind of flag hoisting that has been done on 26th of January, even then today, this empathetic government, the Prime Minister of the country comes up with a statement that, you know, we are just a phone call away, the government is there,
So that
ready to talk to the
gesture,
farmers. Please,
is it now
please
about-
start where we left.
Okay,
we are
so-
waiting
so-
for you, we are waiting for your
Okay.
response.
Fine.
To the proposal
Let's
of
have
the Agriculture
Vijay
Minister
Sardana
that
and
will be put on hold
and
the
Chaudhry
implementation
Savit
of the
Malik
3
now on the
laws
screens.
for the next 18 months.
Yes.
So we are waiting for the response of the farmers' unions.
Okay.
That's it.
Malik
I
Saab,
don't think
there
the
has to be
opposition has any wind in
now.
their sails.
Let's look for solutions, Malik Saab. Now these protests have been going on for over 2.5 months. This is another reach that has happened, outreach by the Prime Minister. He has spoken on multiple platforms, and there has been no breakdown of talks. Yes, there is a stalemate from both the sides, but there is talks that have happened. 11 rounds already. सारी बातचीत जो हुई है 8-8, 9-9 घंटे तक चली है. आगे का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? सरकार को ही काम करना है तो आपको टॉकिंग टेबल पे वापस जाना होगा, कुछ प्रपोजल लेकर के जाना होगा. एक मैक्सिमलिस्ट पोजीशन विदाउट रीजनिंग के कि आप विड्रॉ करिए, ये रूल, ये जो लॉज हैं वो आप उसके खिलाफत करके कहां तक जाइएगा? एंडलेस तो प्रोटेस्ट नहीं चल सकता, क्योंकि ऑपोजिशन आपका जो रीजन है वो सारे जो पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, जो एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमिस्ट हैं, जो बहुत ज्यादा जिन्होंने रिसर्च किया, जैसे विजय सरदाना और ये लोग हैं, उन्होंने साफ तौर पे कहा है कि ये आपके हित में है, दिस इज इन योर इंटरेस्ट सर?
ऐसा है, अभी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से आज ये फोन कॉल की बात आई है। अब हमारी जल्द ही कोर कमेटी की बैठक होगी, जितने किसान नेता हैं, और उसमें आगे की रणनीति का फैसला किया जाएगा। और हमको उम्मीद है कि जल्द ही इसमें बैठक होगी दोनों पक्षों की तरफ से, और अच्छे माहौल में वार्ता होगी, और इसका कोई ना कोई ऐसा हल निकलेगा कि जिससे जो है किसानों को भी लाभ हो जाए और सरकार को भी ऐसा ना लगे कि हमको झुकना पड़ रहा है। इसमें कई चीजें अभी सामने आनी है। जैसे पहले इन्होंने कहा था कि हमने 2 मांगे मान लिए, बीच में वो भी मना कर दिया गया था। एमएसपी पे अभी सहमति नहीं बन पाई, कोई बड़ी चर्चा ही नहीं हो पाई है। लेकिन अभी हमको लगता है कि जो लोग आ रहे थे उनके हाथ कहीं ना कहीं बंधे हुए थे, लेकिन अब जब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी डायरेक्ट आ रहे हैं तो वो कोई भी फैसला लेने में सक्षम है, और किसान सामने बैठेंगे तो हमको उम्मीद है कि कुछ ना कुछ जल्दी हल निकलेगा। हम लोग किसान हैं, हम तो उम्मीद पे कायम रहते हैं। जब खेत में बीज बोते हैं तो हमको ये नहीं पता होता कि फसल कैसी होगी, लेकिन हम यही सोचते हैं कि अच्छी होगी।
चलिए, तो
यहाँ भी हमको यही है कि अब नई दौर की वार्ता होगी, अच्छे से होगी, और कुछ ना कुछ नई चीजें इसमें निकल के आएंगी,
तभी सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा,
हमारे लिए पॉजिटिव बात होगी।
हाँ, विजय सरदाना जी।
देखिए, मैं अपने सब किसान साथियों से कहता हूं कि एक बात हम सबको पता है कि इस देश में किसान की आर्थिक स्थिति अच्छी नहीं है, उसमें सुधार की जरूरत है। 70 साल से किसान गरीब रहा, बिचौलिए अमीर होते गए। 4 लाख किसानों ने आत्महत्या कर ली। ये स्थिति ठीक नहीं है, बदलना ही होगा। अब मेरा निवेदन किसान भाइयों से है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी की तरफ से आपके पास ऑफर है, यस और नो का एटीट्यूड लेके मत जाइए। संविधान की कुछ मर्यादाएं हैं, पार्लियामेंट की कुछ मर्यादाएं हैं, संसद की मर्यादाएं हैं, उनका ध्यान रखिए। क्योंकि अगर आप यस नो करके जाते हैं तो मेरा सिर्फ एक निवेदन है आपसे, आप इस देश में गलत परंपरा शुरू करेंगे। कल हर आदमी यही कहेगा कि आपने किसानों के लिए यह कर दिया, अब सीए का हटा दो, 370 हटा दो, ये हटा दो, वो हटा दो। एक अराजकता आ जाएगी, हम संविधान का अपमान कर जाएंगे। मेरा निवेदन है कि आपके जितने डिमांड है लाइन बाय लाइन आप उसका, आपके अच्छे अच्छे लोग हैं उनके साथ बैठिए, जो लाइन में बदलाव करना है लिखिए कि सर पहली लाइन में ये चीज ठीक नहीं है, ऐसे होनी चाहिए, 5वीं लाइन में ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसको ऐसे बदलिए। उसके बाद देखिए कि सरकार आपका साथ देती है, अगर नहीं देती और मांगे आपकी वाजिब है, मैं भी आपके साथ हूं। लेकिन अगर आप वाजिब डिमांड नहीं जाते, यस नो करते हो, सारी मर्यादाओं को, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को, पार्लियामेंट को इग्नोर करने की कोशिश करते हो, सूनर और लेटर आपको लगेगा कि आपने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी, देश आपके साथ नहीं देगा। अभी सब जोश में है, लेकिन वक्त के साथ लोगों की सोच बदलेगी, लोग वही कहेंगे जो सही होता है। अभी सब जोश में है, जब जोश होता है तो होश हट जाता है कभी कभी, धीरे धीरे लोगों को समझ में आएगा, आपके लिए मुश्किलें होंगी। तो मेरा निवेदन है आपसे कि लॉजिकल बात करिए, संविधान की मर्यादा में करिए, पार्लियामेंट की मर्यादा में करिए, और हम सब आपके साथ।
All right, on that very, very positive note, thank you so much for joining us, Shah Mohammad, Prajita Sarangi, Vijay Sardana, Chaudhary Savit Malik and Mr. Vissa. Of course, with this final outreach, another outreach I would say by the Prime Minister, what next in the farm laws? As you heard from one of the Kisan Union member, he said that there would be a core committee meeting of the Kisan groups where they would be discussing this proposal that has been made by the government. We are slipping into a short break, lots more news and updates on the other side, and I'll be joining you in just a bit.